video, let's learn how to change language on Spotify. If you're also trying to change the language of your Spotify account, then in this video, let me show you how it's done. Now for this, I'm going to show you within the app of Spotify, but if you're using Spotify on your desktop, on the website of Spotify, you can easily use Google Translate to change the language of your Spotify interface. Now for changing it on the app of Spotify, you can see there is no option within the app. Previously there was an option to change in the language, but now that has been removed. So in this case, in order to change the language of your Spotify, what you'll need to do is change the language of your device. So let's head over to the phone settings and open up the language setting on your phone. Mine is inside additional settings, language and input, and language. From here, just pick the language that you want to add in and then tap on OK. Now after waiting a couple of seconds, your language of your entire device will be changed to the one that you selected. And the language of your Spotify will also be changed. As you can see, it is successfully changed on mine. But the one thing that you need to remember is that not every language is available on Spotify. So the one that you picked may not be applied to Spotify. So that's how easily you can change the language of your Spotify. Be sure to give this video a like and also subscribe to our channel if you guys found this video helpful. If you want more videos just like this, make sure to turn on the notifications so you get notified for more future videos. That's pretty much it for today. I'll see you guys in the next one.